Hello miners, Rusty coming at you. Today we're going to take a look at the JSWS multi-tool hammer. So this knife was sent to me by JSWS, my good friend over there, and it has multiple tools. Imagine that. We have a claw hammer. We have what I'm going to call needle nose pliers. We have a hammer. We have regular type pliers. It has this locking position, so we'll unlock that. And that then is spring loaded. And that's what the action looks like, if you will. We will go ahead and lock that up with that little thing there. And we'll start deploying the tools. The first tool on that side is a saw. Ooh, looks pretty sharp. Feels sharp. Lockup is good. And it has an axis lock. Can you believe that? Have you guys seen the grandma? On the vegan grandma? So anyways, that's for another story. We will then reach in past. So this little access, the saw was cut to allow us access to what looks like a sheep's foot blade. Nice. Maybe some people call it a reverse tanto. Feels to be hollow ground. Probably below 3 inches. So I would say that lockup, all right, it failed there. But that was pretty hard. So what else do we have here? Let's open it from this side. Ooh. That looks and feels, well, one, we have a file here. And then two, we have some serrations and, knock my camera here, I would call that a flat screwdriver tip. And we should try to get, I bet you there's one more. Yeah. These darn old man eyes. And this is a hard one to get to. There we go. So if we take a peek, hopefully you can see we have 4 blades in here. And the final blade is going to be a bottle opener and a Phillips screwdriver. So what old Rusty's going to do here is going to take this multi-tool and he's going to go see if he can saw, well, there's a branch over there, and maybe we'll make a tent, like a tent stake. We might even try the hammer out, so bear with me. And here we are at a tree. I don't feel like picking on a live branch, so I'm going to give this a go on one of these dead type of branches. You guys will get to hear this old man pant. So I think we'll come back as I get closer. Okay, hopefully I brought you back in and I don't have too much work. So I was holding on to this like so, and that hammer claw is getting in, kind of struggling. But if you get up here, it's a little bit more comfortable. It's just at the angle of this tree. Isn't that great? Okay, I think I'm getting close. Yay! So let's go ahead and work with that stick. Okay, we're back, and like I said, I was kind of holding on to it probably about like so. And if you move up, this is actually comfortable. The back of this is a nice arch, but your hands are really pretty close to whatever you're cutting. So let's take a peek at that blade. You know what, guys? The finish on that held up really pretty good. So, and I didn't have any problem with this thing wanting to unlock. Oh, I should mention, This is around $20, and they are advertising a 10% discount right now. I think it's $19.99, which will put this about 18 bucks. And I did carry it in here with the case that it came in. So we're going to now work this stick, and little cautionary warning here, I am no outdoorsman or bushcrafter. All right, so we're gonna go. You guys should have a what should I have for this? Gloves. Woo! And as luck would have it, I happened to pick a spot with some what are we calling that? Some nuts right there. This is out of the box, guys. There's no what do I call it? I haven't sharpened this, so it seems to, let's see, kind of feather stick. This is some of my first attempts at that. What I really want to do is get this piece cut off, and right here I got a knot. I want to work on that, so hang in there with me. Okay, I'm back. And what I did was I took the saw and sawed that nut off, or that not the nut, the knot, and then when I got about halfway through, I gave her a hammer. So this is hard wood. Give me a second here. And now we're going to try we'll get this done. Might take a while. I'm gonna come, you guys come back and join me here. Okay, we're getting a little closer, and this blade still feels sharp. So if we had to here, I think we could hammer that in the ground. This particular thing has a little place to secure some rope, and that's what we're looking at. And if I was in the woods and I needed an anchor stake, I don't think you need much more than that. Let's take a peek. Guys, this thing is still feeling sharp. Let's see here. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good steel they have in this, so I am impressed with this. So, well, we're going to give it a little bit more workout, so bear with me here. Okay, guys, we're going to try to drive this nail into this downed tree. Now, this might not work very good, so I don't know if the camera is going to be shaking when I do this. So I'm going to pick the camera up in my hand so it can shake even more. Well, that was a pretty big nail, and I sent her in there quite deep. Okay, here we are again, and this time we're going to put a screw in, and I've already started this screw. It's a Phillips screw, so I needed two hands and I wasn't sure, so here's where we are. This Phillips screw, wanted to give this a full workout tonight. The helicopters are out. So, all in all, guys, take a peek there. We got the screw here, we got the nail there, and I think this thing for 18 bucks, it's a handy tool to have. Stay tuned, I'll show you guys the sheath. Here we are, guys, and I had this on my belt the whole time. This carries really pretty nicely. You drop your tool in here, and let's see if we can take a peek how that fits in there. And it has a really nice kind of what they call, I forget what they call this, nylon sheath. Fits tight to the body, and actually it's not that heavy. So if you guys want to take a multi-tool with you, if you're camping, hiking, I think this one's worth 18 bucks. Hey, we're back at the truck, and maybe you guys want to know, this is a JSWS. After working with that wood. So not too shabby, guys. Not too shabby.